When you create a page in E107, you'll notice that the way that it writes the name of it is it goes page.php question mark 40, and 40 means it's the 40th page. Most of the time that's fine. However, if you want it to be more human readable, such as saying biography, and you want it to be more search engine friendly, so when Google reads it, it reads spinningplanet.co.nz/biography, Bryn Nielsen, then what you need is the FURL module. Now I'll just show you what I mean about being search engine friendly. If I type in Bryn Nielsen biography, and this will automatically search Google, you'll see that it comes up as number 1, and it's actually linking to our FURLed page. If I go back and I show you what the FURL page looks like, it's exactly the same page except biography stays up here. You can also do pretty cool things too, like link off to some of your favorite websites, and I'll show you how to do that shortly. Firstly, let's go into the admin area. And if you've asked us to install FURL for you, you just scroll down the bottom of the screen and then click on SP FURL. As you can see, we use it a lot because it's a really good way of getting to information quickly on your website, and also Google loves it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a FURL, a friendly URL called test, and I'm going to link that off to my biography page, which I know is page.php question mark 40. I'm going to do it as a rewrite, and what that means is it'll keep the word test at the top. Sometimes it can't be a rewrite, such as when it's going to a complex program within your website, or when it's actually going to another website, and I'll show you how to do that shortly. So if I click add, and it says yes, that's been added successfully. Now if I delete all of this and I put /test at the end of our domain name, it takes me straight to my biography. Now let me give you another example here. If I go down to the bottom and I type test2 and I make that link off to the TVNZ on demand page because I might watch it a lot, then I just paste that into there and I tell it to be a redirect instead. So it's not going to keep the test there. What it's going to do is when it senses that you put test in, it's going to redirect you to this address over here. So we click add. Oops, I did that wrong. It's meant to be test2. I'll just update that because we've got two that are the same, so I won't be very happy with that. Test2. Just going to have a quick look at that to confirm it is. Yes. And now if I delete this off here and go /test2. Oops, sorry. Same mistake. It needs the dub in there. So even though TVNZ don't use the dub, this needs to have it, and it'll still work. So we go update, and then I delete that, and I go test2 and enter, and that should take me off to TVNZ. It is working, but it seems that TVNZ is for some reason very slow. Try that again. Waiting for TVNZ. I might use a different one because TVNZ's decided to be very, very slow. So let's go off to Spinning Planet. Oh no, we won't go to Spinning Planet. Let's go to. Oh, it has worked. It has worked. There we go. I'll just do it again to show you. So for some reason it was just slow. I'll go test2, and there we go. Goes straight to TVNZ on demand. And that's how you use the FURL module.